Okay, we're recording again. This is Lisa. I'm in the Office of Deep Tissue Therapy and Reiki on Walker Avenue in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And I'm showing you my office. These are my credentials. State of Michigan license. Test I took with the American Medical Massage Association. Reiki Master, which I received and worked on before I did the manual therapy. That was really something. There's the clinical manual therapist professional from Blue Heron. There's my degree from Aquinas. I have a bachelor's degree. These things are important. When you see a therapist, you want to make sure that they have credentials. I don't want to make you too dizzy here. This is my office. More degrees. I actually do work out. This is my table. So when you come in, you're going to lay usually face down with your face in the faceplate. Either prone or supine, and we're going to do a little interview. This is the rest of the office. My little hat that I goof around with. This is the desk. So you're going to sit in the beautiful chair here as my patient, and we're going to talk. This is the place where you come to talk about your body, and somebody really wants to listen to what you have to say. Okay? By law, I do have to take notes. And as I said, every massage therapist in Michigan should be licensed by Lara. Licensing and Regulatory Affairs. Administrative Rules of Michigan. Board of Massage Therapy. This is a big deal. We have an issue in Michigan with sex trafficking and prostitution massage. These rules set the standards of education and practice. In the state of Michigan, unfortunately, it's only 500 hours that are required. I have 2,400 hours, and I'm pretty much at the level of a naturopathic doctor, but there are no naturopathic doctors licensed in Michigan. They don't do the licensing. So this is the prohibited conduct. Basically, it's saying you can't hit on your patients. I could read this real quick. Involvement in a conflict of interest that interferes with the exercise of professional discretion or makes a client's interests secondary. Taking advantage of or exploiting a supervisee or student to further the licensee's personal, religious, political, business, or financial interests. Taking on a professional role when a personal, scientific, legal, financial, or other relationship impairs the exercise of professional discretion. Now, that doesn't mean I can't see somebody who, like my accountant. I have an accountant. I've seen him for treatment. It's not impairing our relationship at all. You can also barter with people, other professionals. Being involved in a dual or multiple relationship with a current or former client when there is a risk of harm to or exploitation of the client. As used in this rule, dual or multiple relationship means a relationship in which a licensee is in a professional role with a client and one or more of the following occurs at the same time. Basically, you can't date. I mean, what this gets at is you cannot date a client. Now, what you can do is if you no longer see them and you really like each other, then you can date. But you cannot accept money from somebody you're dating, nor can you hit on them while they're in your office. So there is to be absolutely no prostitution massage you see in the margin there. prostitution, massage, and sex trafficking is illegal in the state of Michigan. So I just think potential clients need to know this, and that when you go to a practitioner's office, you need to make sure that you see that license hanging on the wall. That's what it looks like. I just updated mine. I just paid over $200 to the state. There's a number there. There's the ID number. If you want to know who they are. The state takes your fingerprints as a practitioner. So that's going to be my first post on my YouTube site. Thank you.